As Matchgrade continues its investigation, we open up yet another knee positioning system from a different manufacturer. We start by removing the screws from the underside of the base. We remove the main rail from the base plate, and what we find at this point is no surprise. Because it's not sealed, only fastened to the base plate with screws, significant amounts of dried blood and organic debris have wicked underneath the rail. This organic matter has become entrapped where it can't be cleaned, and we ask it again, how many patients are in surgery with you?